In the previous session, you have seen that in the previous section, two problems are left. So I am going to solve it. Question number 8 of exercise 1.3. Find three different irrational numbers between the irrational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. We have to find the irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. To find the irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11, at first we divide 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. After dividing 5 by 7, we get 0.71428 ... We get non-terminating decimal. And also dividing 9 by 11, we get non-terminating decimal 0.8181 ... So now irrational numbers in irrational numbers between. So now three irrational numbers between 0.71428 dot dot and 0.8181 dot 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 are 0.72 00 72 000 dot 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 0.74 74 74 000 dot 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 and 0.80 8 00 8 000 8 40 dot dot dot. Many irrational numbers are between 0.71 and 0.81. So we have to write only three different irrational numbers. So the three different irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 is equal to 0.72 072 00 7230 dot 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 0.74074. We can take any other rational numbers between 0.71 and 0.81. You can take any value between 0.71 and 0.81. This is the answer of question number 8. Now I am going to solve you question number 9. In question number 9, we have to classify the following numbers as rational and irrational. There are 6 numbers given in question number 9. We have to classify them. What numbers are rational or what are irrational. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. 9 number question. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Question 1, root 3, root 23, root 225, 3, 0.3796, 96. Question number 4, 7.478, 7.478 dot 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 dot, and five more question. 1.101 001 001 401 dot dot dot. We have to classify these numbers in the given, which are given. We have to find that which is rational or irrational. Root 23 is rational. Root 23 is rational as root 23 is not a perfect square. We know that if a number is not a perfect square, then it is irrational. So root 23 is an irrational, and root 23 is not a perfect square. Question number 2, root 225 root 225 is rational. Is a rational number because 225 is a perfect square. Whose square root? Its square root is 15. Root 25 is rational as root 25 is rational and root 25 as it is a perfect square number. It is a perfect square. Three number question, 0.3796 is 0.3796 is rational because the decimal expansion of because decimal expansion of 0.3796 after because decimal expansion of 0.3796 is terminating. After 4 steps, after 4 digits, after 4 digits, so it because decimal expansion of 0.3796 is termination. is terminating after 4 steps. The remainder is 0. There is no digit. So 0.3796 is rational. It is terminating decimal. We know that terminating decimal is a rational number. So now question number 4, 7.47848478. 7.478478 is rational. Is rational because its decimal expansion is non-terminating. We know that terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal are rational numbers. So 7.478478 is rational because its decimal expansion is non-terminating. Non-terminating decimals are rational numbers. Now 5 number question. Only we have to classify these numbers. What number is rational and what are irrational. 5 number question. 1.101 001 0001 401 ... is irrational. Irrational because its decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. We know that non-terminating and non-repeating decimals are irrational numbers. So in question number 5, here decimal expansion is non-terminating. ये कटता भी नहीं है, अशांत है और रिपीट भी नहीं होता है, अंकों की पुनरावृत्ति नहीं होती है इसमें। 5 नंबर में ये इसका रिमाइंडर 0 भी नहीं है, ये टर्मिनेटिंग नहीं है, शांत भी नहीं है और न अंकों की पुनरावृत्ति होती है इसमें। तो वी नो दैट इफ द डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन is non-terminating and non-repeating, then that number is called irrational number. So 5 number is irrational number. In this way we can classify the following numbers are rational or irrational. This exercise is completed 1.3. So I will start next exercise representing our real numbers on the number line. I will discuss about this topic tomorrow, representing real numbers on the number line. Next.